Oh, hi! Welcome to Imperial TV. Today we're gonna be going to Lamborghini Houston to spec a vehicle, which is the new Sto. And there are several things that we're gonna be doing also as well. Let me show you my new products. Those are downpipes for a Urus. It's basically like an upgrade. Get the the cats out to add more performance, more horsepower to the vehicle, and more sound, of course, with a tune. These usually go for about $3,000 to $4,000. We have them on special. And if you have any inquiry, if you have any questions about it, ask me. I'll shoot you the price with a tune. All right. Well, let's catch up. Let's get on. Let's go, guys. Imperials, bitch. This bitch. So as you see, we got new faces, new cars, of course. We got the purple Huracan. That's here for a re-rent. This one is almost ready. Just waiting on some parts. That one, it came in for wheels and for rear diffuser. It's almost done. That one will complete front end. Almost ready. And we're just doing like a complete facelift on that vehicle. It's gonna be like a fat boy looking car. And of course, this Porsche too. That one came in for a little minor fender bender. It's not bad. What else do we have here? Yeah, pretty much before the holidays, we're staying really busy, really busy. To where I'm trying like to put, schedule clients for next month instead of like, hey, go ahead, drop off your car, and then we won't touch it. No, I wanna have the car here when I'm ready to touch, so that way I don't waste no time and space. So let's take the Lamborghini to the other facility and let's go pick up the McLaren. Cool. Ciao. Let's get down to business. Okay, yeah. See, look.
Come here.
All these like text messages that I need to reply. I have over 14 text messages.
I know.
And it's not easy. I need a personal assistant that can actually follow me and be my shadow, know exactly how to answer and reply to most of my DMs. Get seatbelt is on. Alrighty, let's go. So I got the guys following us. Hey, let's say what's up.
Your light is not working, the right one.
Oh, no kidding. That's why we're taking the McLaren. We're taking it to McLaren Houston so that we can get that fixed. Those...
Oh, I didn't know that.
Yeah. Oh, you didn't know?
Okay, bye.
That's it?
Wait for us.
Hey, we're taking the Beltway, just to let you know.
We're following the ways.
Make a U-turn.
No, take the Beltway. You need to follow Butch, not follow Waze.
I don't know where you are.
Well, yeah, just go to the Beltway.
Okay, wait for us.
I am waiting.
Okay, bye. Yes, sir.
Where are you?
I want you to pass me. I'm gonna just launch it.
Right here.
Yeah, don't worry.
Right here, I'm even passing.
Well, just go. I know. I just saw you. All right. I'll catch up. I need to drive.
On the right side, baby.
Huh?
On the right side, hurry
driving?
For 18 minutes.
Good. That wasn't the question, but okay. So, how long have you been driving?
Since I'm 16.
Since you were 16. Wow. Nice. Where did you start driving? Here in America, or did you start like over in Russia or Israel?
In Israel.
In Israel. Nice. How's the driving system over in Israel?
I was driving in Israel?
Yeah.
Same like everywhere, I think. There's cameras everywhere.
What happens if you get a ticket, speeding ticket in Israel?
With like the speeding, because there's going to be a lot of police and cameras
I know, but
waiting for you to speed.
oh yeah. So just like the system.
Usually it's
here?
less.
So just like the system in the United States, right? And what's the punishment? Is it like more expensive than the United States, or
What, I'm sorry?
when you get a ticket, what was the punishment for tickets? Same thing, you have to pay money?
So it's a ticket, it's points. It's, yeah, the same.
Watermelon sugar high. Hey guys, check out the bags. Pretty cool, huh? Travis. Travis is the best freaking guy that sat behind us. That's so far. Like, I love this guy. What's up, my man? I've been knowing this guy since he was little. He worked his way up, and look at him. Nothing can
Still
stop
little.
him. He's all the way up.
Still little.
I mean, he's still going.
But we're still not all the way up.
No, he's not little. He's amazing, man. Appreciate your help, of course. All the time, man. Been good. So what is this? So tell me, how ugly am I?
Normal temperature. Please wear a mask.
Oh my god.
I was outside.
Oh my.
Normal temperature.
Are you for real?
Can you say it again?
Normal temperature.
Oh, now it's normal?
Temperature.
What? Oh, this is long overdue, man. Been waiting to be finally knighted.
They're special made. Isn't that cool?
This is actually pretty cool, man.
Just for me to you.
Just because?
Because I love you.
There you go.
That's why.
Love you too, my friend.
Just
Thank you.
because I love I can always wrap it any color I want as long as it's black. So let's go for it. Plus, wrap kind of like more like a paint protection film. So So it's like getting 2 in 1. So as soon as I get the car, I'm gonna do complete paint correction and then do the expel, the paint protection film. Either do it in stealth, which is what I would prefer, or in gloss. As far as the car itself, probably wrap it in white.
It's always been like
I like it. You know what? I'm buying it. I'm done.
You're done? Yep. Congratulations, my friend.
I like it.
It's a good build.
Let me know what the price sheet is and then go ahead and pay it.
We'll do it.
Oh my god, I mean, I feel really good that I ordered a Lambo. The only thing is just like, I'm so excited and anxious when it's gonna get here. Because I really want to be, hopefully, the first one to get his car here. So apparently I'm the one who actually did his first build, put in the deposit and build it first. I built it as basic as possible. Why? Because it's a race car. You don't have to prove anything. Why would you put carbon fiber on it? Like, oh well, it's a race car. Well, it is a race car. You don't have to prove shit. So I'm gonna do it. I mean, I already did it. I built it to where it's completely like base race car. And if I want something, I can always add and enjoy instead of like have it already added and then lose the taste of it because it's already fully what do you call it, built. I like to get something where I can like sculpture it with myself after, like, okay, I'm gonna enjoy it right now as what it is, and then maybe in a month or two, like, let me add this, let me maybe change the wrap, maybe let me add carbon fiber, so it will look cool. Hey guys, this is it for the first part of purchasing the STO. Today at Lamborghini Houston, we went through a lot of colors, a lot of options, a lot of features, and of course, made my mind and made my decision. Stay tuned, there's more to come for that STO project. See you guys, ciao.